Good morning, class 2. It's your science class, and I am your science teacher, Miss Farah. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and you are very excited because we have done unit number 1 and we have also done unit number 2, kinds of animals. And now I am giving you the brief or very short description about this chapter. You have learned about or you have read about animals, kinds of animals that we have done. Animals in air. Very beautiful pictures are over here. Crow, butterfly, eagle. Okay, land animals. Okay, water animals. Octopus, jellyfish, seahorse, starfish. These are all water animals. Okay, land and water animals means the animals they live both on land and water. In water, for example, frog, salamander, crocodile. And animals that have younger ones means they have animals that give birth to their younger ones are called mammals. For example, cow, giraffe, hippopotamus, these are all discussed over here. Okay, and after that some young ones are like their parents, like horse means cat, dog. Their young ones they resemble their parents, but some other animals are there they don't resemble with their parents, like caterpillar that grows into a butterfly, a tadpole grows into a frog. Okay, now we have done this match and concept map about the full chapter. We have done the exercise as well. Choose the correct answer. And question answers: two animals live on land, two animals which live in water, and two animals which live both on water and on land. And what are mammals? Clear? I hope you have done a proper or clear reading of this chapter, so it will be very clear to you. Okay, at the end, on page number 18 of this chapter, there is a task for you. Draw your favorite animal and fill in the required information if you are able, if your drawing is good. So draw a favorite animal. For example, if your favorite animal is cat, so draw properly a very cute cat over here and color that cat. And then write about the cat. For example, just I am giving you the example. Maybe your favorite animal is elephant, maybe your favorite animal is monkey. It's up to you. You will write by your own. So draw the picture, and if you are able to draw means try it. You can easily draw, and if you are not able to draw, so paste the picture over here and write down about a few lines means about that animal, that will be cat or rather the dog or any other animal, and where does it live. Write down few lines first of all about the animal, that this is a cat and I like the cat and the color of the cat and what is the appearance of that animal, that is draw over here. And where does it live, if it is domestic animal, or write down over here what does it eat. Clear? An interesting fact about that animal means any interesting fact that nobody knows about that. So if you will search out about the animal, you can easily search many things that is not clear to you. Even you are very much means fond of that animal, to like that animal, even though you are not aware of those important facts or interesting facts. So beware, or write down 2 or 3 or any one line about that fact. Clear? It's your task. Do it properly. It's a very interesting task. When you will draw a picture over here, it will be very interesting for you. Clear? Okay, next is the project. Visit a zoo. Prepare a report about the animals you saw there. Collect information about the animals. Where do they live? What do they eat, etc. Write your findings in the report and draw paste pictures of the animals if it is possible. So means paste the pictures you can easily buy from the market the pictures of the animals. So if you go over there and visit the zoo, if ever you have visited the zoo, so write down the report and over here. For example, I have given you unit number 2, kinds of animal, the page number 18, the project. Okay, write down, for example, paste the picture over here, the lion. And lion that lives in cage, as you have seen in the zoo. Or what is lion eats? Meat. Clear? In this way you can prepare your report about the animals. Means first of all, paste the picture over here and write down the name of the animal, the place where they live, and what does it eat. I have written over here peacock, lion, elephant. In this way you will write about the these animals over here, means their living place and what they eat, what do they eat over here, and the pictures of these animals pasted over here. So this project will be very interesting. Clear? On page number 18 I have given you 2 tasks. One is just to draw a picture, or you can paste a picture of any one animal over here and write down few lines about it, and where does it live and what does it eat, and in any interesting fact. On the other side, the project, in project you can prepare a report about the animals you saw over there in a zoo, if you have ever visited the zoo. And write down, first of all paste the picture of the lion, or means if the first I have written over here the lion, paste the picture of that animal. Maybe that it is tiger, maybe that is elephant, maybe that is horse, maybe monkey, rabbit. It's up to you. You have the pictures, so paste those pictures and the name of the animals and their living place and what does it eat. What does it eat?